this is Nala and Khan, and today we are at our sister camp, Gamoti Plains. Today we're heading back into the kitchen. Meet Charity, she's our head chef at Gamoti Plains. Charity, so what are we making today?
We are going to make a pizza, a beef and a vegetable pizza for our tea for today.
We need a bowl of ice water, 200 grams of flour, 150 grams of melted butter. We need a pinch of salt. So that's what we need to make our dough.
Our 200 grams of flour mixed with butter and a pinch of salt with cold water and mix together to make a dough, pizza dough.
You mix all the dry ingredients first. You know when it's done when you have these breadcrumbs. Then you slowly add the ice water. You keep on mixing it until it becomes one ball.
I'm going to mix it until become one ball. We are not using a finger to knead our dough. We are using a thumb to knead our dough.
We'll knead it for about 5 minutes until it becomes a ball like this.
Then next step, we are going to roll our dough.
Phew, that's hard work. Now we're gonna spray the baking tray.
Into our tray. And then we are going to trim our edges using a sharp knife.
And now the fun part, the topping. For the pizza, you always use your homemade tomato sauce. We mix the pastrami and the vegetables together. And now it's time for my cheese. Look at how yummy that looks. Charity, how long does it take for the pizza to bake?
Take 15 minutes.
I think it's done. Let's have a look. It looks yummy! Is it so yummy? Taste. Thank you so much, Charity, for teaching us how to make a pizza.
You are more welcome, Nala. Bye.